Hello, my name is Christian, and today I'm going to show you how to use Azure Migrate to assess a local environment and produce a report. So I must admit, when you hear Azure Migrate, this can lead to confusion, because you may think this is some kind of tool to perform a migration to Azure, but that's not the case. So first, let's clarify that. Let's say you're thinking about going to the cloud. One of the first questions you may have is, where do I start? How much it will cost? So Azure Migrate can definitely help you to address these scenarios, because what Azure Migrate does, it actually performs an assessment of your local environment, and based on your performance information, it will produce a detailed report containing suggested sizes for your virtual machines in Azure and how much it will cost. So let's go to the Azure portal to show you how to do this. In the Azure portal, let's click on Migration Projects. In Migration Projects, create a new migration project. Once it's created, you will be presented with these options. So the first step here is to create a collector appliance. A collector appliance is a machine under your virtualized environment that will capture all this performance information and will send it to Azure. So under Getting Started, let's click on Discover and Assess. Here, let's go on the step 1, click on Discover Machines. Here, you will be presented with some information like your project ID and your project key. Later on, we'll need these details. But for now, the first step is to click on the Download button under Download Collector Appliance. This will download an OBA file for you containing the Collector Appliance image. So this is a VMware template. Yes, you hear it well, VMware. For now, this is the only virtualization platform supported for Azure Migrate. I know Microsoft is working to have Hyper-V as a supported platform in the upcoming months, but for now, it's only VMware. So once you downloaded your OBA file, go to your vCenter, import it, and you will be asked to provide your project ID and your project key. After that, you're ready to go. Your collector appliance is linked to your migration project. All the work is done within the Azure portal. You don't need to connect to the virtual machine. So after that, you're ready to go to the step 2, create an assessment. All the assessment creator will go here under Manage Assessment. So let's see what are the options that we have under an assessment. Let's click on this one and let's click on Edit Properties. So under Edit Properties, we have the different options to produce our report. Under Target Details, first the target location, this will be your Azure region. So where all resources will be located. In this case, Canada East. Depending on the region, the prices may vary. The second option is the storage type. We have 3 choices. Automatic, in this case, let's say you have a database with high demanding IOPS request. So in this case, it will automatically assign a premium SSD disk. Otherwise, you can select premium if you want to have all your VMs with premium disk, or standard hard drives in case you would like all your workloads just with the standard hard disks. Let's skip this with automatic. After that, you have reserved instance. So depending on your pricing offer, you will be eligible for a 1 or 3 year reserve instance. Basically, based on your commitment, you will be eligible for a discount. Let's keep 3 years so we can have a discounted price. After that comes up the sizing. Sizing criteria, we have 2 options. As on premises, this will select exactly as you have the resources currently. So let's say you have a virtual machine with 8 GB memory at 100 GB disk, but you may not be using all this capacity. We don't want to migrate this virtual machine as it is. You will be paying for resources that you're not using. So let's select performance base. Under performance base, you have the performance history. So this is basically the information that was captured, and based on this information, we will produce with a suggested size depending on the performance of the resources that were consumed. I will suggest to select at least 1 week of performance history information to have an accurate report. In this case, let's keep it 1 month. And percentile utilization, also I would suggest to go below 19th percentile. In this case, 95 to produce an accurate report. After that, you can filter the VM series that you would like to have included in your report. For now, just let's select all, and also in comfort factor, we'll have some overhead because we will be consuming 100% of the resources. There's always a little overhead considered for peaks. The last thing is pricing. So here you have different offers. In this case, pay as you go. Your currency, in this case Canadian dollar, if you're eligible for any discounts. And after that, under VM time, it will depend if you will have your virtual machines running 24/7. If that's the case, let's keep it as 21 days per month and 24 hours per day. The last piece is the Azure Hybrid benefit. Let's click on yes. So in this case, let's say we have a software assurance valid contract. So we'll be able to bring around licenses to the cloud and we'll be paying just for the resources, not for the operating system licenses. So let's go back to the assessment. In the overview, here we have a report, machines that are ready to move to Azure, machines that maybe did an update, machines that are not ready, could be a legacy or non-supported operating system. On the right, we have a monthly estimated cost for compute, for storage. At the bottom, we can read down the cost of storage for standard disk, hard disk, premium hard disk. Also, you can produce a detailed Excel report by clicking on Export Assessment. This will produce a detailed report for you on Excel. And with that said, this is our Azure Migrate report. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time. Thank you.